Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So this is a 4-hour chart of DXY US dollar currency index, and the market opening will be very crucial for all the US dollar pairs, not only Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold USD and others, because market or DXY closed at the Fibonacci 61.8% retracement level. Overall, the chart of DXY is bullish. This particular portion of the chart is saying that market is sideways or market is in consolidation right now, waiting for the big news like NFP. But those who are day traders, for them, this market opening will be very important. If you're a swing trader, then obviously it will not have much impact in your trading strategy. But if you're a day trader, then obviously this opening will be very important, because the major levels of DXY are still very much same. 105.50, 105.20 is standing at the top as resistance. This is the support zone for DXY. But this particular portion of the chart is very important for day traders. Okay, so if market tries to go up, market takes support and starts going up right after the market opening, then we will get to see few red candles on USD pairs. And in case the selling pressure continues, then maybe we will get to see the uptrend continuation on the chart of Euro USD, Gold USD and others. Okay, the next support for DXY will be 104.33. But this support is for day traders only, not for swing traders. Okay, for day trading purpose, you can consider this level as the next support for DXY. Now let's talk about the chart of Euro USD. In my previous video, we talked about two resistances on the chart of Euro USD. The first resistance was 1.0633 and the second resistance was 1.0647. So we saw market just close at the resistance of 1.0633 level. So this resistance worked. But on Monday, whether it will work or not, we don't know, because it depends on the market opening. It depends how DXY performs after the market opening. So as a result, do not consider this as the resistance. The next resistance on the chart of Euro USD is around 1.0647 to 1.0650 level, because of the 100 moving average, as well as we also have Fibonacci 61.8% retracement level. Okay, so this is the next resistance on the chart of Euro USD. But keep in mind, getting the additional confirmation from DXY is very important, because if the fall on DXY continues, then obviously market will not respect any resistances. So if you see that DXY is taking support and Euro USD is also trying to reverse, then you can consider taking a sell position around this area. But get the additional confirmation from DXY, because DXY's movement played a major role on Friday, so and it will also play a major role in the coming days as well, because dollar is the most popular currency in the world. In my opinion, the level of 1.0680 to 1.0680 to 1.0690 looks is a better level to take a sell position, because see, these are minor levels. Okay, see, these are minor levels, and if market reverses also, you can expect a profit of 25-30 pips. But this is a major level. In case market goes up, observe the market around this area. This level has the potential. Okay, if market reverses, this level has the potential to give you a profit of 40-50 or more than that. Okay, so these two are the resistance on the chart of Euro USD. Personally, I'm not trading much on Euro USD these days, because I'm not enjoying a very good relation with Euro USD, GBP USD and others. Okay, I'm mostly focused on gold these days. Okay. And if you're wondering about the support levels, then the support levels on the chart of Euro USD are still the same. The best support is around 1.0500 to 1.0480. Is the best support, but the strongest support is far away. Okay, the far away, because if I zoom on the chart, you can see this is the support, and this support is quite far away from the current market price. Okay, so this level is not important for Monday. And in case markets shows a fall also, okay, if market starts coming down also, then you can consider 1.0564 1.0564 as the minor support for the market. But as of now, these supports are not very significant, because market is standing in this particular portion of the market. In case market starts falling also, okay, obviously I'm coming on Monday, I'll tell you what you should be doing. But as of now, your main focus should be on the market opening and how euro USD performs after the market opening, because it just closed at the resistance level we talked on Friday. Okay, so let's wait and watch. And anyways, my dear friends, the world's most affordable forex trading workshop is back. Yes, the dates are 16th, 17th, and 18th of March. If you like my work, if you really want to take up trading as a serious source of income, then you can consider joining the world's most affordable forex trading workshop that I conduct in both Hindi and English language. It's a 3 days workshop. And the best part is, after the workshop, you'll also get support for 1 month. Okay, the link is in the description. If you're interested, then please check out the link. Everything is mentioned on the website. Mostly you can see that it's an FAQ, so that you can understand whether the workshop will be useful or not, because this workshop is not for complete beginners. I have designed a workshop only for those who have been struggling with the market, unable to make money from the market. Okay, and I have also shared my story so that you can understand that nothing is impossible. Okay, and 10 reasons to join the Pro Trader program. These are the benefits of the Pro Trader program. The workshop is a part of the Pro Trader program. So if you join now also, okay, no need to worry. You'll be getting the benefits of the Pro Trader program. After the workshop, you'll also receive support for 1 month. So it's a very good offer. So if you're interested, then please check out the link in the description. Okay, bye bye. Take care. Still on the video?